This guy right here, we're going to be wet sanding and polishing this S14. We just got back from paint. Has more orange peel than we like. Headlights also need to be restored. Wheels need to be painted. And so yeah. Alright guys, so the headlights and taillights are done. We're going to go ahead and move on to the paint. We're going to go ahead and wet sand it with 2500 grit, 3000 grit, and then polish it and then see how it turns out. We went ahead and started on the hood already to see what it'll come out. They did 2500 already while I was gone. I'm going to help them out and do 3000 grit and then polish the hood to see what it looks like. And then we got the whole car to do. We got some body work here done. Came out really great. Yeah, the body shop we use is really good, but unfortunately there's a little bit of orange peel, but look at it, it's really nice. So especially now that we did the tail lights, new front windshield and rear glass trim rubber, so that's all nice and new. So yeah. Check it out, we got it back on the ground. We got the painted wheels on it and she's looking good. So we'll go ahead and do the engine bay and wash it again, give it a coat of protectant, clean the wheels, polish the exhaust, and get her out. Alright guys, that wraps up today's episode. Hopefully you guys enjoyed, maybe learned something, I don't know. I'm pretty new to this video making, so let me know if there's anything you'd like me to change or or switch up or anything like that. Any feedback is great. Well, if you guys enjoyed it, please comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.